Hi, it's Rachel with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this cabin in the woods, 1790 Columbine. So come check this one out. Really cute rental, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, on for $649. So come take a look. Okay, here it is from the street. Can't really see it because it's such a great treed lot. We are at the tip top of Moonridge. There's one of our other listings up there, that dome home right there on Yosemite. So street we are on is Columbine. And this one just hit the market, 1790 Columbine. And it's a kind of modified gambrel. Got a big driveway. Probably could fit like 8 to 10 cars on the whole thing. We're parking on the dirt right here. So I will take you inside first. Then we'll come enjoy the outside. So you enter on this first floor. So I like to kind of think of this as like the kids' floor, right? So you've got a living room down here, a game room, a couch, and then they've got all sorts of games, books, things for the kids to enjoy. And as you can see, there is a rental permit on file for this one. They rent this on Airbnb through RS Vacations and have been doing very, very well the last few years. So we back up and kind of see the layout really good. You've got laminate hardwood floors in really good shape, really good condition. So downstairs we're gonna find, oh yeah, check this out too, like super high ceilings. So downstairs we are going to find 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. We have a queen bed down here. Owners are looking to sell this one and buy something in an area that they are using more often right now. So here's the second bedroom. You've got this paneling that they have painted white. Really nicely done. And then also these are upgraded windows too. So it's a little bit cold outside, but feels really nice in here. And this was added by the current owners, laundry. So then you've got your first full bathroom downstairs. Really nice, it's just all white. It's very clean. So this is what I would again call the kids' floor. And while we're down here, let's just go take a look outside here. See if your hot tub, and it is up to code. You can see the electrical box from the hot tub. It's on a sturdy deck. The outside was very good condition as well. And the decks are really, really strong and hardy. So from here, let us go upstairs to the main level. Once we come up, we land in the kitchen. This is a nice marble countertop with upgraded appliances. 3 different coffee makers. It's one sign of a good vacation rental. So I'm standing in the kitchen and we're gonna go into the living room. The house total is a 3 beds, 2 bath, 1,200 square foot. And then you've got 2 heaters, one downstairs, one upstairs, both operated by a Nest thermostat. Big vaulted ceilings. And most important, the fireplace. And on here, you can come barbecue. And you've got some treetop, kind of some ski slope views through some treetops over here, but just a beautiful picture of fall in Big Bear. Out here on the deck, surrounded by trees. So here's our dining room area. And again, they've been a vacation rental for probably about 3 or 4 years. Have been doing anywhere between like 25 and 55,000 a year. The name of the house, Big Bear Haie. I might be saying that wrong. So down here we have our last bedroom, the master. That's why I kind of feel like the upstairs is more for the adults. The downstairs more for the kids, which is nice that you can just really separate yourself when you go on vacation. And then we'll go into the last bathroom. Full-size bathroom, shower, tub. And again, what I love is just this, all this white. It just has a great feel to it. And then I'm going to take you outside to go walk around the property just to show you the lot size. We're at 9,750 square foot. Deck is in really, really good shape. And then you've also got these lights that will light up for any renters coming. So you've got a shed on the property. Keep your stuff if you wanted to continue to rent it. You got one of my favorite trees ever up in Big Bear, this pine tree. So if you smell inside the cracks, it smells like vanilla. The roof, you can see from the ground, is in really good shape. And then here at the other property line, which is probably right around here, you have a old horseshoe pit. Out back we've got the water heater and a couple more storage areas. Most of the focus of the lot is in the front though. Here's another shot of the roof too. And what's great about it is you're not going to have a lot of snow and ice sitting on that side. It actually can't. So that roof should stay in good shape for a while. And then Most of your lot land size is in the front here. So there you have it. The address is 1790 Columbine and just hit the market for $649,900. 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, 1,200 square foot. Come check it out. Talk to you soon. Bye.